Good morning, kids. Hope you all are fine. So, today we will do one comprehension. So, let's start. Here we have a paragraph. Let's read it and then we have to answer some questions. Reading a paragraph and answering some questions related to paragraph is called comprehension, right? So, the topic of this paragraph, Aunt Lily's pets. Let's read it. Some people have cats as pets, others have dogs, but Aunt Lily is a little different. She has two hens. One is called Polly and other is called Molly. Polly and Molly live in a shed at the back of Aunt Lily's house. Here, shed meaning is small house for animals, right? They eat special food that Aunt Lily gets for them. They love to catch bugs in the garden. Bugs means is kide, right? They sometimes pull out worms from the ground to eat. Polly and Molly love Aunt Lily. They give her eggs to eat. They give her eggs to eat. Polly and Molly are Aunt Lily's special pets. Now we will do some MCQ questions and some question answers related to this paragraph. Okay, let's start. So first question is choose the correct answers and fill in the blanks. So first is Aunt Lily has dash pets. So Aunt Lily के पास कितने pets थे? Aunt Lily has two pets, right? Now coming to the second one, Aunt Lily's pets are called. Aunt Lily's pets are called. One first option is Molly and Dolly. No. Second option is Polly and Molly. Yes, Polly and Molly is correct answer. Now coming to this third one, the hens live in a dash. So the first option is shed and the second option is nest. So the answer is yes, shed. Shed is the answer. Right. Now coming to the fourth one, they sometimes pull out dash from the ground. हैंस क्या पुल करती थी ग्राउंड से? वॉर्म्स और स्नेक्स? Yes, you are right. Worms. So worm is the answer. Now coming to the second one, read the questions and complete the answers. Okay. What food does Aunt Lily get for her pets? Aunt Lily gets special foods for her pets. Second one, what do Polly and Molly love to do in the garden? Polly and Molly love to catch bugs in the garden, right? Now coming to the third one, what do Polly and Molly give Aunt Lily? So the answer is Polly and Molly give her eggs to eat. So this is all about the comprehension. So you have to write this question answers in your notebook. Just you have to write the topic of the passage and question answers in your notebooks. Thank you.